Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be covering Gemini 2.5 Pro and we will be testing out the new Canvas feature that allows us to code and see previews of our code. And I think this is amazing. Gemini 2.5 is actually the best model for coding and pretty much anything that has to do with reasoning. And it's one of the best thinking models out there, and pretty much everyone is using it because it's also free to use. So if you want to learn more things about this kind of tools, you should go on the link down below, AI tools and courses hosted on NoFX Services, my website. And you can find coding tools, you can find text generators like DeepSeek and Gemini 2.5, associated with the tutorials, and also links where you can access these models. If you want to use the API of Gemini 2.5, you want to go to aistudio.google.com. Again, it's down below on the NoFX Services links, and you can get an API and use it locally. Maybe I will cover that in a future video, but you can also use like this AI Studio to get prompts out. But I think this one doesn't have like the Canvas feature. So for the Canvas feature, you want to use the actual Gemini application where the rates are a lot more restrictive. So the first prompt we will be testing out is write an SEO optimized teaching page for transformer models. That's the first thing we want to test out. So let's write that, click the canvas to be open, and we're waiting for it to think. At the same time, I have generated the exact same prompt on Lovable and on V0, which are both AI tools that are coding and allow you to create beautiful web pages. So you can see here the result of V0 looks super nice, super cool, very nice coloring, but not a lot of content, not really educational. However, Lovable has done an amazing job with in-depth architecture stuff and explanations. Not very in-depth, but quite in-depth. And it has also placeholders for new things, learning resources that actually point to papers, etc. So I think Lovable is absolutely amazing. Here is Gemini trying to generate the chat. So we're waiting for the result. And boom, this is it. All right, let's see the results. So this is the website. What are transformer models? Okay, that looks good. Key concepts explained. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, that looks also very, very nice. Continue. Read the original paper, illustrated transformer. Okay, so I guess this goes a little bit more in depth than the Lovable website, but not that much in depth. I want to see if it points out to the actual links here. Not really. So I want to check the code a little bit to see the meta tags. Yeah, the meta tags look okay. So I guess this goes for a win to Lovable. But again, I've got to say that Gemini 2.5 is a very good basis. Looks good, looks clean, but again, it doesn't match Lovable in this case. At the same time, I have been testing out DeepSeek, which is DeepSeek V3. Go and watch the tutorial on my YouTube channel. If I have not uploaded yet, make sure to subscribe to check it out. And this is the result of DeepSeek. This is actually insane. This is so unexpected. Whoa, this is an amazing result from DeepSeek. Whoa, whoa, this is like the best website I've seen out of all of these tools. Okay, so let's move on to the second prompt. Okay, so the second prompt for Gemini will be to write an SEO optimized SPX 500 calculator. So let's write that, click Canvas, submit. So let's see what the result will be. Again, V0 has done a tremendous job at SPX 500 calculator. This is how it looks like. It has a graph. It has the SP500, investment strategies, disclaimer. Lovable, on the other hand, has an even more amazing website, which has a very interactive graph, interactive buttons, a lot better in-depth calculators that are fully interactive and workable. And, you know, it looks so beautiful, so amazing. This is such an insane job by Lovable. I'm literally shocked at the quality of the result. So I really want to see what the result of Gemini 2.5 is going to be. Oh my God, please tell me that it's going to fix it and it's not going to be like that. Oh my God, this is so bad. Oh my God, this is a complete failure. Oh shit, I cannot believe this. Oh my God, the model completely failed the prompt. Bro, this was super bad. This was super bad, unexpectedly bad. Oh my God. So this is the result from DeepSight. Here we can see the calculator. Let's put some values. Random values essentially. Calculate trade. This is the result of the trade. Calculate position. Well, it doesn't look that good, in all honesty. Like, it doesn't look bad, but I think it doesn't look that amazing compared to Lovable. So I'm waiting for Gemini 2.5 Pro to finalize the results so we can decide the winner for this Gemini 2.5 video. Again, I would highly suggest that you go and watch the DeepSight video, the DeepSeek Coder video, just to get a sense of what goes around. But yeah, I think, it's very clear that Lovable is an insane competitor in making websites. This is not good. I don't like it. But Gemini 2.5 Pro, really disappointed with the result that I'm seeing. Canvas, nah, this is not it. This is not it at all. It feels like the model is so restricted without any creativity or some kind of code prompt optimization to understand what it should actually display on the website, like no previous planning. So I think for one-shotting with very simple prompts, this is not it. But this is Gemini 2.5 Pro with the new Canvas feature. It doesn't really excite me that much, in all honesty. I have been using Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's very good. I use it through Google AI Studio. You can see here the library, but this result doesn't excite me.